former Supreme Court Justice Mary Odili accused P2B of the Labour Party and Atiku Abubakar of the PDP supporters of blackmailing the pet judges. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, depending on where you are watching from. Welcome to BMS News. The former Supreme Court Justice and the wife of the former governor of Rivers State, Mary Odili, has accused supporters of P2B and Atiku Abubakar of blackmailing the pet judges. She rained praises on Tinubu's lawyer, Chief Wole Olanipeku's son, and APC lawyer, Letfi Fagbemi's son, now the Attorney General of the Federation. Guys, you see how Bola Ahmed Tinubu is helping to compensate those who helped him to rig the election. Now, Fagbemi is now the Attorney General of the Federation. Guys, imagine Mrs. Odili, who is the former Justice of the Supreme Court, raining praises, calling Olanipeku and the Fagbemi the best lawyers in Nigeria on election disputes. Olanipeku and Fagbemi, who couldn't even defend Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the pet. Now, Honorable Justice Odili is trying to use her influence to influence the judiciary. We all know that Chief Peter Odili is a very calm and composed person. And the wife, Mary Odili, is Nyesom Wike's best friend. I can't really understand how the water and fire can become friends. Guys, I'll be dropping that video for you to watch where Mrs. Odili, a former Supreme Court judge, is praising the election that everybody knows very well that is a shambles, saying that she trusts the capacity of Olanipeku in order to make sure that Bola Ahmed Tinubu reclaim his mandate. See, Mrs. Odili is one of the Supreme Court justices that I respect so much before. But now I have seen that what people are really saying about Mrs. Odili, that she's a corrupt judge, is really the truth. Politically, Wike has since drawn a battle line against Atiku and the Peter Obi, bragging in a few days ago that there is no way the pet judgment will go against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Whether Wike has succeeded in buying the pet judgment that warrants such bragging and confidence is something we will find out in matters of days. Guys, I'll be dropping that video for you people to watch. If this is your first time of watching our channel, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, and also please don't fail to turn on your notification bell in order to be getting our updates. Guys, recall that recently Justice Mary Odili was accused of being used by Nyesom Wike to influence the decision of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal judges to favor Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Whether true or not, her choice of words in this video I'm about to show you people has proven that the elites in this nation want to suppress all of us, but it will not happen. Ask yourself or go and check the history of the children of Mary Odili. Guys, you will see that the elites are really dealing with us in this nation.
This colloquium and book launch in honor of Chief Kyari Gazama upon the attainment of 25 years as the senior advocate of Nigeria is an epochal achievement. It is no doubt appropriate that the theme is, quote, "The Nigeria of our dreams, a call to the patriots." I say so in the light of the prevailing situation in Nigeria as a result of the 2023 general elections, which has generated a lot of storm, necessitating the conversation which we are about to indulge in, as there seems to be moves to draw the nation into chaos or conflagration. These may be brought about by some individuals and groups who, fanning the embers of hatred, bigotry, and tribalism, fail to see the possible outcomes of the utterances without caution that are being thrown around. It is human to feel cheated or having the short end of the stick, but one who is not declared a winner at any of the electoral contests, such emotions, however grim, does not justify bringing the roof down, the roof of our nation. The reason is simple, that in such an eventuality, that aggrieved person may not be spared, as the commotion that would ensue would be like an unguided missile which could land anywhere and upon anyone. Therefore, in ventilating our points of view and facts at the electoral tribunals or other courts, a sense of responsibility from all parties is demanded. The situation does not call for the blackmail of the judges or the posting of speculatory hypotheses, giving them such a life of their own, which run riot and accepted by the hapless and innocent in the society as the truth. Knowing the quality of participants at this colloquium, and I'm happy professional, those who are well equipped in litigation matters or electoral disputes. Chief Olonegbeku is a master, and our Attorney General, recently sworn in. These are experts. I am confident that having such persons here, including our chief host, Chief J.K. Gazama, there is confidence that at the end of the day, a resetting of the mind would be taking place, and we would keep things in perspective in the full knowledge that elections are seasonal and litigations relating thereto of the same bend. And so, when the seasons are gone, the courts get back to their natural and regular duties of adjudication regarding the affairs and rights of all persons, irrespective of their status in life. J.K. Gazama, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, has called us to this discourse, lest we forget our past, the recent happenings in our country, and the need for a restoration of the ethos and the values for which the founding fathers had set in motion as guide to all of us, young and old, irrespective of the positions we occupy in the society. We all have to get our acts together and rebuild our nation.
Guys, trust the Obedience now. Obedience came after this woman, Sarah Ibrahim. Miss Corruptible Judge, Mary Odili, continue selling the judiciary. We will remain peaceful and calm, but this nobody has monopoly to violate. When the time comes, you will know that you are not and can never be more than we are. The judiciary must give us peace. That is what we want, and justice is the only way we can get that peace. We have been patient enough. Tinubu must be disqualified. All eyes on the judiciary. This wonderful one was coming from Sarah Ibrahim, an obedient die-hard. This one also coming from Peter Obi, ambassador. Let it be on record, Mr. Yakub of INEC committed treason. Tinubu threatened Nigeria and judiciaries. The legal team of Tinubu, in their final address threatening the country, Mrs. Mary Odili has now threatened both Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi. Wike inaugurates Justice Odili Judicial Institute with 500 million grant. Guys, you see why Odili's wife is making all this noise, calling Onanipeku and Fawemi the best lawyers. Guys, let's see how it goes. Let's hear your view on the comment section. If this is your first time of watching our video, please share this video, like this video, and also please don't fail to turn on your notification bell in order to be getting our updates. We'll see you in our subsequent bulletins.